Hello, my name is Chip, and I'm a paramedic instructor for the state of North Carolina. Today we're going to talk about how to do first aid treatment for cuts. First thing about cuts with any wound, make sure that you have gloves on so you don't put any germs on the cut that aren't already there, and also to keep the patient's blood off of you. The best way to treat a cut initially is to rinse it. If there's not a lot of bleeding going on, which we'll say there's not right now, and let's say that she has a cut on her arm, we're going to take it to a sink if possible, rinse it with some mild soap and water, blot it dry, take our gauze pad, apply some pressure on there. Hopefully this is clean and sterile. Make sure the bleeding is slow. Again, if it's a lot of bleeding, we might have to call 911 or seek more help. Once we get this on there, we'll have the patient hold it for us, and then we can go back and we can wrap it up so it'll stay on there. And then what we want to do is we want to make sure that we instruct the patient to look for signs of infection later on down the road to make sure it's not getting red throughout the next couple of days, hot to the touch. Any kind of pussing or oozing would be definitely reasons to call 911, or at least to go to an urgent care or an emergency physician to have them check it out for you. Some other areas you can worry about is the face. If you have any kind of lacerations on the face or head, very similar treatment. You're still going to apply some kind of a dressing or bandage to make sure you slow the bleeding down. But what you want to do also is you need to think about possible sutures or some kind of closure device. Again, from a hospital, you need to talk to your physician because you don't want any unnecessary scars on your face, especially with children and females, so you need to think about that. Again, the biggest thing is make sure that you can slow that bleeding down, and again, seek medical help from a professional if need be. And this was basic first aid for cuts.